Hello there! Today we are going to learn to make the paper snowman. We will need the pre-punched model sheet already provided in the book along with a glue stick. Our first step is to take out the pre-punched element. Ta-da! Then we will pull out the cutout and fold it precisely like this. In the next step, we will take the edges and paste them together like this using the glue stick. In the fourth step, we will move the head downward and paste it to the rest of the body like this. Finally, our lovely paper snowman is ready. Ta-da!